Good morning to all of you. Today we are going in the shikimic acid pathway, the synthesis of tryptophan, and the precursor is also the chorismic acid. In this, the synthase enzyme remove the pyruvyl side chain to the anthranilic acid. This synthase remove the pyruvyl side chain, and this side chain is removed and transamination takes place, in which the glutamine is the amino donor, and as a result of which anthranilic acid and pyruvic acid is formed. The next step, this is the first step. The next step is the glycosylation. The next step is the glycosylation. Glycosylation is a reaction in which carbohydrate is a glucosyl donor and attached to the functional group. Here in biochemistry or biological terms, glycan unit is attached to another molecule. Here 5-ribosyl pyrophosphate is attached at this juncture, amino group, NH2 group, as a result of which 5-ribosyl anthranilic acid is formed, and the enzyme is transferase. 5-p-ribosyl anthranilic acid, here this 5-p-ribosyl pyrophosphate. This is the second step. And the third step, in the presence of, here the sugar diphosphate is a very good leaving group. Here this 5-ribosyl is bound to anthranilic acid by, this is a glycosidic bond. This area is glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. Then two reactions takes place in the presence of isomerase. The formation of ketose derivative is formed. Then decarbylation of aromatic ring and dehydration and cyclization form 5-member ring. First, this in the presence of isomerase, a ketose derivative is formed. Then in the presence of synthase, removal of water takes place and cyclization takes place. As a result of this, 5-membered ring is formed and indole glycerol phosphate is formed. As a result of this indole nucleus is formed, or indole. The next step is the synthesis of tryptophan is catalyzed by tryptophan synthase. This enzyme cleave the glycerol phosphate moiety. This enzyme cleave this moiety, and this tryptophan synthase is an alpha 2, beta 2, heterotetramer in plant. It is a bifunctional enzyme. What is heterotetramer? Heterotetramer is a protein complex made up of 4 identical units which are associated but not covalently bound. This tryptophan synthase alpha subunit is bind to the active site and cleave the glycerol moiety. Binding cause the conformational chain that closes the active site. After removal of glycerol moiety, the indole ring diffuses through a long protein tunnel which is approximately 25 angstrom. Distance of tunnel is 25 angstrom unit. Between subunits to the active site of beta subunit. And in the presence of tryptophan synthase, another beta subunit, serine, is added and tryptophan and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is formed. Serine then binds and closes the active site in the beta subunit. First unit removes the glycerol 3-phosphate moiety and closes the active site. As a result of this, conformational changes takes place that closes this active site, and indole ring which is formed is moved into the long tunnel which is on the beta subunit, and the distance of tunnel is 25 degree angstrom. As a result of this, on the beta side, beta subunit they move, and in beta subunit then active site is closed, then binds, serine is bind and then close the active site in the beta subunit, and in the serine hydroxyl group is removed from the serine and beta carbon, and the beta carbon is bonded to the indole ring. As a result of tryptophan, which opens the active site on the both subunits, as a result of which synthesis of tryptophan, active site on the both subunits are open. So we have finished the shikimic acid pathway. Now on the next turn we will move towards another topic. In exams you will get the questions on what is glycosylation, what is heterotetramer, what is bifunctional enzyme. Thank you.